Hey, what is up all you do-it-yourselfers? My name is Dylan Taylor, this is Dylan's DIY Workshop, and today I'm going to be showing you the best way that I have found to mount a bonsai tree made of wire to a rock, whether it's a glass rock like this or a stone rock like this. This works for any material whatsoever, and that is contact cement. All you have to do is put it on one side of the one piece and on the other side of the other piece, let them dry, and then bond them together. This works so much better than super glue, and you don't have to tape anything up or hold it for any amount of time, because when you actually fit the things together, it's a dry bond, so you just paint it on and you're done. Okay, so I hope that this quick little tip video helped you guys out, and I really do appreciate you guys watching. Thank you to my Patreon supporters for supporting me just the way that you guys do, and a special thank you Randy, Robin Burt, and Mike Maxwell. You guys are extra special. And if anyone else wants to help support me on Patreon, there will be a link up in the top corner of the screen and also in the description as always. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new, please subscribe. If you're already subscribed, please share this video with a friend. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, give it a big old thumbs up. See you guys all next time. Peace out.